Basically, we are offering the same kind of environment what students are gonna face when they go abroad. From the first semester, the failure rate in the first semester itself is pretty high. It is almost like 40%. If somebody is asking you to write down some definition, and if you write down the ditto definition as it is written in the textbook, they will, deport you because it is a plagiarism.
Do we have any solutions for the students who missed their intake and really want to go for fall 2025 intake?
So students who have missed this fall 2025 intake, they can start with us from August along with TWG, and they will fly in next September or October for their second year. So as good as, they must have gone onshore and started their first year onshore, same, they are starting with us. So they're not missing any year as such. And plus, alongside, they are saving a lot of money.
Hello everyone. Welcome to Edling Study Abroad's YouTube channel. As we have seen a lot of changes in the education system, especially after COVID, we have witnessed whole new online education era, as well as we have witnessed the cross-border policy changes from the countries which are highly welcoming study abroad students. Here at Edling, we are really committed to bring very futuristic solutions for your career. So today I am really excited to have Namita Keskar from the World Grad with us. She'll help us understand how smart programs can be a game changer for this evolving global education era. So Namita, tell me, what exactly is TWG?
So it's a good question. So the World Grad is basically a brand of Link Education. Link Education is an academic provider. We offer academic delivery of online programs for Victoria University. So with World Grad, we are offering similar kind of services to universities in US, UK, and Australia. So we call it as smart programs.
Well, this is really interesting. So can you help us understand what are these smart programs?
So smart programs are simply like, transfer programs wherein we offer 1 semester up to 1 year, up to 2 years of degree in India. And then students can, fly to the respective universities to finish their remainder degree.
So usually students understand this as hybrid program, right? But you're calling it a smart program.
We don't, say it is a hybrid education because, it is basically we are offering the same kind of environment what students are going to face when they go abroad, right? Why we are starting this particular model is because we have seen that when students, travel abroad from the first semester, the failure rate in the first semester itself is pretty high. It is almost like 40%.
Okay.
Correct? So, and why this happens is not because they are academically weak. It's because the education system of India and that particular country is very, very different. There is a gap. So we are trying to fill that or bridge that gap by providing them additional support, by providing them the same education system along with the extra tutoring support, so that the students academic base becomes very, very strong and their progression becomes very smooth. They should not face any sort of a trouble when they actually start their second year of graduation onshore.
Okay.
Right? So that is the main purpose why we started this program. Another main reason why we started is because we know that there are lot of deserving students in India, but just because of the financial constraint, they are not able to fulfill their dreams. So that was another reason why we started this.
Okay.
Yeah, and the third important point is, of course, the visa success, because that is the utmost important thing for them to fulfill their dreams in their respective dream countries, right?
Yeah.
So our programs help them to strengthen their visa profile by making them more genuine student.
Okay, Namita, then help me understand how are these programs, these smart programs, separate from what brands like Upgrad and other brands they provide?
So Upgrad and Baki Ke brands, they are collaborating with Indian universities, and the Indian teachers are teaching or delivering the entire lectures and all to the students. Whereas with us, we have one foreign faculty and one Indian faculty, and we are exactly providing the same learning management system to the student. So students are studying the American credits, whoever are going to US, they are studying Australian credits or UK credits with us. exactly the same way which has been delivered onshore to them,
Okay.
right? So the foreign faculty is also involved, wherein students are getting the exact experience what they are gonna get when they go onshore, right? But plus alongside we are also providing them the additional support of Indian tutors जो उनको हेल्प करेंगे, ये जो इंडियन अमेरिकन ट्यूटर्स और ऑस्ट्रेलियन ट्यूटर्स जो सिखा रहे हैं, फॉर एग्जांपल उनको समझ में नहीं आया एट फर्स्ट गो, तो इंडियन ट्यूटर के साथ वो बच्चा बैठ के समझ सकता है कि क्या कंसेप्ट है, right? So concept clearance will be done by the Indian tutors with them, and that happens one on one, right? And these tutors, we call it as online online facilitators. So they are available for the student all 7 days in a week. So that is the best part of it, and student will not feel like left out, because the faculty is in front of them. It's not like the concept where student is learning distance learning kind of a scenario जहाँ पे बस वो अकेला है, उसको सिलेबस दिया गया है और बस पढ़ो, अकेले अकेले पढ़ो. That is not the scenario here. Your faculty is involved throughout with the student.
Okay.
And there is a lot of support provided to the student just to make them fulfill and of course make their base very very strong for the academic system. So that is the difference we are making in students teaching environment.
Okay.
So here is the difference of teaching environment what we are providing through World Grant.
ओके सो जैसे हमने देखा है कि कोविड ड्यूरेशन में बहुत सारे लोगों ने आईआईएम से भी किए हैं, कुछ
Online start किया था.
ऑनलाइन स्टडीज की है, फिर परचेज कर लिया नहीं क्लासेस, या पेरेंट्स भी विश्वास नहीं करते बिकॉज स्कूलिंग में ऐसा हो रहा था
Agree.
कि ऑनलाइन चालू है, बच्चा कुछ और कर रहा है,
I
राइट?
agree.
सो हाउ विल यू डू प्रॉब्लम
Address such things, right? So firstly, when the student starts the program with us, we explain them what is the grading system over here. The grading system is solely dependent on their attendance and the timely submission of their assessments. So there are deadlines. So that is the base of any foreign university's academic system. They cannot skip any class, they cannot bunk any class, right? So that is something like we instill in them in the first few weeks itself, right? And our classes or our lectures are so inclusive, where students are made comfortable with the faculties. It's not that like kind of Indian, we follow the Gurukul education system where the teacher is teaching everything, even like kind of the entire notes are given by the teachers, right? And there is a proper examination where exactly we are writing the answers as the textbook.
Okay.
But here it is not that way in foreign countries, right? If somebody is asking you to write down some definition, and if you write down the ditto definition as it is written in the textbook, they will deport you because it is a plagiarism. You have to write the definition in your own words. If you remember that Three Idiot wala dialogue, zip ka definition, right? Rancho answers in a very colloquial language. It's the same concept.
Very good example.
Yes, of course.
So how many country options do we have for these smart programs?
So we are at present working with 5 countries: US, UK, Australia, Singapore, and UAE.
Now as the whole fall 2025 intake is almost ending, so do we have any solutions for the students who missed their intake and really want to go for fall 2025 intake?
So students who have missed this fall 2025 intake, they can start with us. Our intake is starting from August onwards for USA. They will start the first year from August along with TWG, and they will fly in next September or October for their second year. So as good as they must have gone onshore and started their first year onshore, same they are starting with us. So they are not missing anything. They are not missing any year as such. And plus alongside, they are saving a lot of money. How? In the way of getting a lot of exclusive scholarships through TWG.
Okay.
That is the best advantage. And another thing is for parents specifically, बहुत सारा पैसा बचेगा, and they get lot of time to prepare the financial documentation in the upcoming first year, right? It's not that like student have enrolled with you right now and आपने बता दिया ये documents लगेंगे और अभी आप दे दो, है ना? सारे पेरेंट्स के लिए ये पॉसिबल नहीं होता कि सब रेडी होता है. Some parents are there who will take time to prepare the financial documents. So our program facilitate that or give them this kind of advantage.
As we are already running short on the time, especially for the fall 2025 intake, so how soon the student needs to prepare for English language test, and is there any waiver available?
So UK और ऑस्ट्रेलिया के लिए definitely English language test is required, but to get admission into TWG program we are not making it compulsory.
Okay.
So student can prepare themselves for English proficiency test alongside our program. Parallelly दोनों कर सकते हैं.
Okay.
Because see English requirement is there for Australia and UK for the visa also. So we cannot skip that. But in case of USA for undergrad, we have waivers on English because our syllabus of US undergrad education has two to three components of English language, based upon which US universities provide a waiver. And it has been written in their offer letter as well that this student English is waived off because he has completed these many components of English already.
Okay.
Yes, so that's an advantage students are getting. And there is one or two universities in UK for postgrad studies who are also providing the English waiver to the student based on medium of instruction.
As recently, due to the changes in the US policies, more students are looking forward to go for UK, especially for bachelors. So what do you suggest for those students who are looking to pursue undergrad from UK?
See, in the UK and Australia specifically, we have only business stream and computing stream, right? So students have two options for UK specifically. They can go for year one and they complete 2 years onshore, or they can complete 2 years in India and then they just go for a top-up degree in UK. Right now, top-up degree is the concept very much prevailing in UK universities. Majority of universities offer a top-up degree. Now, what is top-up degree? It is a third year of bachelor's degree, the final year of bachelor's degree. Okay. So UK has a concept like here we call it as FY, SY, and TY for the 3-year bachelor's degree. There they call it as HNC, HND, and top-up. Right? So we are offering you HNC option, we are offering you even HND option. Now HND is first 2 years of your bachelor's degree.
Yes.
And the beauty is these first 2 years you will be able to finish just in 1 year span. So entire 3 years degree you are finishing in just 2 years.
Okay. So this HNC and HND is like, this information is really helpful, but I want to understand that as student is going to complete a lot of studies in 1 year, so is that going to create pressure on the student?
Nahi hota. See, they are studying total 15 subjects in the 1 year span, and our students are very much used to study, at a time many subjects. Correct. It's not burdensome at all because it is broken that way that the student will be able to finish each subject in a very given time span. It's just that we have curtailed their break period in between. When the student goes onshore, they get a lot of free time in between 2 semesters. That we have curtailed and made it very, very thin or small. Okay. That is the only difference we have done. Otherwise, the teaching period remains the same. We are offering them adequate amount of time for per subject to study and learn. Okay. We have not compromised on that.
As we all understand that, especially when a student is going for pursuing a bachelor's, then their biggest concern is cost. So can you help us understand how HND and HNC will create an impact on cost saving and for which all countries?
So HND is basically first year, once the student finish the first year of UK degree, they get a HNC certificate. With that, he or she can go to any universities in UK to finish their remainder degree, right? So, अगर मैंने यहाँ पे suppose A university से HNC certificate कर लिया, जरूरी नहीं है मुझे उसी यूनिवर्सिटी में जाके कंप्लीट करवाना है. I can go to any university of UK who will accept my HNC certificate and give me entire credit transfer. So when we are sending our students and we have some partner universities with us, our certification or our articulation is like, for the credit mapping, wherein the 100% credits are mapped with those universities. तो बच्चे को और कुछ repeat नहीं करना पड़ता when they go onshore, right? So that is our understanding with our partner universities. And it is very much prevailing, it is very common in the UK. Even even if suppose there are some students who wants to go after 12th in UK, they can go for HND HNC college. There are colleges who offer these degrees जो हम यहाँ पे offer कर रहे हैं, and that is through Pearson. So Pearson is an organization, it's a very world famous organization
Correct.
who offers such certificates. It is BTech accredited, Ofqual accredited, which are the, you can say accrediting bodies of UK, just like UGC and AICTE, right? So this certification has a worldwide validity. There will not be any issue for students to get transferred to any of UK universities.
Okay.
So HND gives them the flexibility to get into only third year, right? This way what happens is students will be able to save the time, right?
Money.
So 2 years का एक साल में complete कर रहे हैं, तो living expenses भी बच रहे बच्चे के, एक तो इंडिया में ही complete कर रहा है, उसकी वजह से फीस बहुत हद तक बच रही है, right?
Yes.
Student and parents are only spending in pounds for the third year top of degree in the UK.
Yeah.
That is the only big expense they will be having. Otherwise, for first 2 years, the fees are very nominal if you compare with the, UK degree. UK 3 years degree, overall, if you look at, it starts with minimum 60 lakhs as a proposition. But with us, it is becoming only 22 lakhs, 22 to 25 lakhs on an average. So that much of saving students and parents can expect.
Correct. So I'm really curious to know what is the main single reason of you guys launching these smart programs in India. I think पहले साल का हमारा सिर्फ 6 लाख plus GST है, right?
Yes, 650 plus GST. That is the only fee we charge for HND. So which is equivalent to 2 years of UK
study.
degree.
Very
affordable.
Yeah,
very affordable.
Correct.
So the main purpose which I mentioned earlier is to make the foreign degree affordable for deserving students in India.
Correct.
That was the main purpose why it started.
Yeah.
And this is the way we are delivering it to the students.
So Namita, which program should a student be choosing, HNC or HND, who really wants to pursue the bachelor's abroad?
1 साल कंप्लीट करो और 2 साल के लिए आप यूके चले जाओ, वो भी ऑप्शन है अपने पास. So that 1 year is basically finished in 6 months span. So it is fast process also. Students get adequate number of time for preparing for their IELTS and even for their visa documentation, right? If a student is starting our program from July, right, they will be able to finish the HNC by next year's March or April. So till the September intake, they can do an internship program also with us. Okay. So we offer that option to the student. So parallelly, their visa process is going on, and they are also interning with us.
Okay.
So both the things are going parallelly, and students will get the certificate for that internship, which has been utilized when they go onshore.
Till now, honestly, the information is very helpful, but I'm really sure that now my audience would like to know कि actual success stories क्या हैं. So can you elaborate about some success stories, especially of undergrad?
We have placed one student, Tanvi, from Hyderabad, to La Trobe University. Now she went for a bachelor's into a computer science course. Initially, very demanding, very demanding course. Yeah. She was a good student definitely, but she was little skeptical about like how she will blend with the environment in Australia. Will she be able to understand their accent on all those things? But now when I see her, now she already is onshore. She has started her second year of bachelor's degree onshore. She went through this HNC route, right? So after finishing, I mean, she really got very good grades. La Trobe provided her scholarship based on her first year performance over here, right? They offered her 25% scholarship for the second year and third year as well.
Amazing.
So that was the best part of it. And secondly, now I see her when I interact with her, she's so confident. And she really thanks us because, the kind of environment we provided here to her, it is same. what has been, happening onshore.
Yeah.
So she said, for me, it is just like, it's a smooth transition for me. I never faced any issue like, adjusting with the academic environment. I like spend my time to adjust with the other things, like, finding accommodation, adjusting with the, atmosphere kind of.
Yes.
And that was pretty quick for me because I already knew a lot of things because I interacted with a lot of faculties while I was studying the first year in India. So she had a chance to interact with onshore faculties, onshore students as well. So for her, it was not alien
That is
kind
good.
of a country.
Yeah.
So
Otherwise, students are mainly not aware, especially undergrad के जो बच्चे होते हैं,
absolutely,
उनके पेरेंट्स भी बहुत वरिड होते हैं कि जाएंगे अपना, इससे पहले तो सारा काम हम करके देते थे, वहां जाकर के सब चीजें अपने आप करनी है, नया सब कुछ है, तो कैसे
कैसे
cope
होगा,
up
क्या
करेंगे.
होगा. हाँ.
Yeah.
सो यहाँ पे हम क्या करते हैं ना, हम स्टूडेंट को कनेक्ट करवाते हैं फैकल्टीज से भी, ऑनशोर इंटरनेशनल स्टाफ के साथ भी कनेक्शन करवाते हैं, ताकि वो स्टाफ को भी पता होता है ये स्टूडेंट के बारे में. व्हेन द स्टूडेंट गोज ऑनशोर, उनके लिए वो नया स्टूडेंट नहीं है, राइट? तो ऐसा नहीं है कि ABC से स्टार्ट करना है स्टूडेंट को जब जाता है, राइट? दे आर ऑलरेडी देयर. So that is the biggest advantage student will, have while, studying with TWG or studying with us.
Overall, how can a student properly leverage the Indian study time, especially when they are in India and taking the classes online? So how do you recommend they leverage it properly and take benefit of their time spent in India?
जैसे first year any which ways is subsidized for the student because they pay in Indian rupees, right? So if you look at Australian example, Australia charges minimum, I would say $30,000 as a tuition fee for the first year. वही if I compare our tuition fees, it is just 3,75,000 rupees plus GST. It comes to 4,13,000 rupees, right? So there is a huge difference. तो यहीं पे उन्होंने पैसे सेव कर लिए, right? In the first year itself, there is no living expense for the student for the first year. Plus they are getting 1 year span to, prepare the academic documentation. ऑस्ट्रेलिया के लिए वो बहुत ज़रूरी है क्योंकि ऑस्ट्रेलिया इज़ वेरी स्ट्रिक्ट इन टर्म्स ऑफ द फाइनेंशियल डॉक्यूमेंट्स आर कंसर्न, राइट? तो पेरेंट्स के लिए काफ़ी टाइम मिल जाता है टू अरेंज दोज फाइनेंशियल डॉक्यूमेंट्स in adequate number of time because they need to provide 6 months balance certificates.
Yeah.
अगर आपके पास कोई बच्चा आता है जनवरी, वो बोलता है मुझे जुलाई में जाना है, जुलाई इनटेक में, जैसे ऑस्ट्रेलिया में 2 मेजर इनटेक्स है, फेब एंड जुलाई, राइट? अक्टूबर इनटेक होता है बट बहुत कम यूनिवर्सिटीज में होता है. तो अगर जुलाई जाना है तो दे हैव ओनली फ्यू मंथ्स इन हैंड. तो वो मंथ्स में वो सारे डॉक्यूमेंट्स अरेंज नहीं कर पाते, तो उनके पास 1 साल का पूरा टाइम मिल जाता है इफ दे आर स्टडिंग विद अस, राइट? प्लस अगर किसी का इंग्लिश प्रोफिशिएंसी टेस्ट नॉट रेडी तो उनको भी टाइम मिल जाता है बिकॉज दे आर स्टडिंग पैरेलली विद अस. नाउ with TWG, as I mentioned earlier, we are, providing them adequate knowledge about foreign education through our foreign faculty, and of course concept clearance will be done by them, or other concept teaching will be done by them, but then clearance will be done by Indian tutors. तो उनका base strong हो जाता है इंडिया में ही, तो वो leverage की वजह से they excel in the studies, their grades become very very high, right? And that helps them to gain the scholarship from the university which is generally offered to the direct student. तो कोई difference नहीं है हमारे student में और direct student में. Same benefits our students are also getting. In fact, they get more because their academics are become very very strong. Correct? And that helps to, lower their tuition fees when they go onshore. Definitely. And in fact, we have an example of one of our students who went to Wollongong. She became Victorian, right? That itself is, speaks a lot because she excelled in her entire academic journey, that, university applauded her with valedictorian tag.
Nice.
That was the best, of it. And
then later on such things will add up for her job.
Absolutely.
Search. Yeah.
Definitely it, adds to their job search.
Yeah. How are these smart programs helping students gain visa success?
So see, एक तो टाइम मिल जाता है फर्स्टली, वीज़ा रिलेटेड जो भी अगर चेंजेस हो भी रहे हैं तो इमीडिएटली तो उनको वीज़ा अप्लाई नहीं करना है, राइट? उनको टाइम मिल जाता है समझने में कि क्या क्या चेंजेस हुए हैं, and to adapt to those changes, they will get time. And we have our visa expert team who helps student to understand the visa process in depth and help them to collect the documents, prepare the documents in time. ऐसा नहीं है कि प्रोग्राम खत्म होने के बाद हम वीजा प्रोसेस स्टार्ट करते हैं. We started from the beginning only. We provide them the checklist of documents which are required for the visa. So students and parents are aware from the beginning only कि मेरे को क्या क्या prepare करना है वीजा के लिए, क्या डॉक्यूमेंट्स लगेंगे, कितना फाइनेंस लगेगा. So everything is been shared with them from the beginning. हम लास्ट में धक्का नहीं देते किसी को और टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करते. Right now, just to give you an example, in case of USA, for undergrad students, they need to study minimum 30 credits. Correct?
Yes, correct.
Like overall, it is 120 per year. It is 30.
Yeah.
So we do not wait until student is finishing the entire 30 credits. 24 credits खत्म होने के बाद, we'll start the visa process. Okay. We'll start the I-20 and full offer process. Yes. Right? So that everything comes in time and students is able to fly in the upcoming intake.
Okay.
They should not miss any intake because of the delay in getting the transcript.
Yes.
So we have that option in the US where the student can apply for the visa before they start TWG program. Now why we have introduced is because US visa is very unpredictable, as you know, right? So students and parents have this thing in mind, agar बच्चे को वीजा नहीं मिला तो क्या.
Correct.
Right? Of course there is a second chance where student can reapply for the visa, but sometimes parents do not want to take that chance, right? So for them we have introduced this particular option wherein student can apply for a visa first, get the visa, obtain the visa, and then start the program with TWG, wherein they will study risk free. उनके माइंड में ये नहीं रहता कि अरे इतना सब पढ़ने के बाद मेरा वीजा रिजेक्ट हुआ तो आई कैन स्ट्रेट अवे फ्लाई टू यूएस टू कंप्लीट माय रिमाइंडर डिग्री. So that is the reason why we have started with this. But in this case, student needs to be applying for the visa as a direct student. They will have to submit their English proficiency test scores before. They will not get that advantage of getting a English waiver. That is it. But otherwise the rest of the things remains the same. Yeah, and even scholarship will be dependent on their 12th results. If they are above 70%, 80%, whatever scholarship university offer them, they will still get it.
So Namita, there is a myth about SMART programs, because students really feel, or even parents do feel, that SMART programs are for average students. So can you help us understand what is the category of students that is eligible, or can be highly recommended for these SMART programs?
Definitely. So it's not for the average kids. It is for the students who really want to make their career or excel into their career, and who really want to study. So we have students who are meritorious students, right? Recently we have admitted to a student like who have scored 95% in her 12th grade.
Wow.
So जरूरी नहीं है कि ये बस कोई academically challenged बच्चे के लिए ही है. This is not a pathway.
Yeah.
To be to clear this myth, this is not at all a pathway. हम लोग 50% वाले को 45% वाले को admission नहीं देते. Our minimum requirement is 60-65%, जहाँ पे बच्चा पढ़ सके इंग्लिश में. करेक्ट. एंड ये उन्हीं के लिए है जिनको पढ़ने की चाहत है आगे जाके. ये उनके लिए नहीं है जिनको आगे जाके बस माइग्रेट करना है या फिर वो कंट्री में एंट्री लेनी है. ये उनके लिए प्रोग्राम है नहीं.
Recently we have been getting a lot of requests because सब बच्चे जाना चाहते हैं abroad, but हो सकता है सारे language test prepare नहीं करना चाहते, या maybe they're not sure of how to proceed with the processes. So there's a lot of unethical requests coming. Can you help us understand with your experience that unethical practices का क्या impact हो सकता है एक बच्चे के future पर and उसके visa पर, and even after getting the visa?
You rightly said कि this unethical practices उनको तो ठीक है, उनको लगता है कि this is gonna help me now.
Yes.
But this is very short-sightedness, right? It's not gonna help them for a longer run. We have ample of examples जहाँ पे US ने काफ़ी सारे बच्चों को जो unethically गए हैं उनको एक साथ डिपोर्ट किया है, right? ऐसा नहीं है, मतलब पोर्ट्रे तो ऐसा करा गया कि बाप रे इंडियन स्टूडेंट्स के ऊपर बहुत ही ज्यादा अन्याय हुआ
अन्याय
ये
हुआ,
वो,
हाँ,
but it is not that.
no.
You know, Trump government is not behind unethical, like ethical immigration. They are behind unethical immigration. So अगर आपके पास legit documents है, इंग्लिश के एग्जाम स्कोर्स के लिए जैसे बोलते हैं ना कि आप हमें हेल्प करो टू यू नो मॉक द रिजल्ट, जरूरी नहीं है. देर आर सो मेनी ऑप्शंस. देर आर यू नो एग्जाम्स लाइक डुओलिंगो, यू नो यू हैव पीटीई, जहाँ पे आप मल्टीपल अटेम्प्ट्स लाके दे के एडिक्वेट स्कोर्स ला सकते हो.
यस, प्लस जैसे आपने बोला कि हमारे जो स्मार्ट प्रोग्राम्स है इसमें हम पढ़ते
वेवर
पढ़ते
मिल रहा है,
साथ में भी
साथ
प्रिपेयर
में
कर
भी पढ़
सकते हैं
सकते हैं. एंड
लैंग्वेज
इन फैक्ट आवर प्रोग्राम हेल्प देम टू गेट adequate score because we are giving them, see our program delivery is in English language.
टेस्ट.
We do not use, you know, very high profile English to, you know, teach them our program. Very simple English, so that they understand the program well, right?
Yes.
And this is going to help because we encourage our student to communicate in the class.
Yeah.
So ultimately it helps to crack the examination also for them, right?
Correct.
So whoever is simultaneously preparing for IELTS, TOEFL, they get good results at the end of the day.
Yes.
So it is helping them.
एंड दिस इज ओवरऑल हेल्पिंग लाइक अगर ट्रेडिशनल की भी बात करें या स्मार्ट की भी बात
Yes,
करें, these language tests help student.
absolutely. I'll tell you, I'll give you an example. I have a student from Anand. Initially, when I counseled her, she was very, she is studious, definitely. She was also like 90% holder, right? So her mom is like a single mother who is a homemaker. So the financially they are dependent on her aunt who is resides in the US, right? So she always wanted to, you know, go on merit. So she had that responsibility on herself that she don't want to be dependent on her mother completely, right? So that's the reason why she enrolled with us. Now initially, because she was from a very small town, she was little afraid of talking with me in English. However, she was very good in English, like in the scores as such, like, you know, her 12th results in
Yeah.
English language, they were above 90. So she was hesitated. She was hesitant in the beginning, but now if you look at her, it is like, you know, metamorphosis. She has an accent, American accent,
Good.
the way she speaks. And in fact, you can see her blog in our you know, on our Instagram.
Okay.
She has given a testimonial.
Okay.
And I'm like amazed to see like the way, the kind of transformation she has after, you know, studying with us. That is the huge impact, and that kind of impact students will also have once they are passed out from us. It's a live example in front of me.
Can you help us understand what job support will the students be getting from the smart programs?
Correct. So while they are doing this course with us, they have the exposure to connect with the onshore team. Similarly, they connect with onshore students as well. So for part-time job, they can definitely try and, you know, introduce themselves, try and find out the opportunities. So when they land, they get jobs very easily. Plus, now there are certain universities of ours wherein, like for example, Lander University in the US, which is situated in Greenwood, South Carolina. ये यूनिवर्सिटी के पास BMW का सबसे बड़ा प्लांट है, सबसे बड़ा प्लांट. इनकी सारी इंटर्नशिप, जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी स्टूडेंट को वहीं पे मिलती है, और कहीं जाने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. करेक्ट. सो
Correct.
यूनिवर्सिटीज हैव सच काइंड ऑफ प्रोविजन जहाँ पे वो जॉब गारंटी देते हैं.
Okay.
Now, for example, even now San Diego State University, we offer their master's program, master's in computer engineering and master's in big data analytics.
Yeah.
University guarantees 100% placement. Why?
Wow.
Because it is near to Silicon Valley. सारी Fortune 500 कंपनीज हैं उनके पास.
That's amazing.
और 100% प्लेसमेंट रेशियो इसलिए है क्योंकि उनकी जॉब प्लेसमेंट इन अ ईयर एवरी मंथ होती है. ऐसा बहुत कम यूनिवर्सिटीज है जो जॉब प्लेसमेंट एवरी मंथ करता है.
Okay.
जो जॉब फेयर्स ही एवरी मंथ होती है उनकी, इसीलिए वो प्लेसमेंट रेट इज 100% फॉर देम. एंड देयर एवरेज सैलरी इज $1,15,000 per annum,
Wow.
which is the highest.
Yes.
So ROI की अगर बात करूँ मैं, it is triple time like whatever they are investing. एक साल में ही पूरा वसूल कर देते हैं बच्चे.
So, Namita, whenever we receive inquiries or whenever we see students who are planning to study abroad, they usually have this concern that हमने इस यूनिवर्सिटी का नाम नहीं सुना, हमने इस यूनिवर्सिटी की रैंकिंग नहीं देखी है, हमें कहीं रैंकिंग नहीं दिख रही है, इसका तो इतना वर्ल्ड रैंक नहीं है. So, as per your recommendation, what are the proper things or the ideal things which students should be looking into their proper university selection?
जो रैंकिंग सिस्टम है ना, तो यूनिवर्सिटी पे करके रैंकिंग सिस्टम में पार्टिसिपेट करती है, जैसे क्यूएस रैंकिंग हो गया, राइट. जनरली यूएसए में अगर देखा जाए तो वन शुड फॉलो यूएस न्यूज रैंकिंग, नॉट क्यूएस रैंकिंग. दैट इज अ कॉमन थिंग दे हैव टू रियली फॉलो. अगर क्यूएस में देखोगे तो क्यूएस तो वर्ल्ड वाइडली रैंक करता है, राइट. तो उसमें तो वो यूनिवर्सिटी का रैंक पीछे ही आएगा, तो जरूरी नहीं है वो यूनिवर्सिटी खराब है. सो आप अगर यूनिवर्सिटी का ऑथेंटिसिटी फाइंड आउट करना है तो फर्स्टली यू नीड टू फाइंड आउट हाउ ओल्ड दैट यूनिवर्सिटी इज, राइट. हाउ मेनी डिपार्टमेंट्स ऑफ how many academics are they providing, what is their faculty status, are they like onboarded faculties, कितने visiting faculties है, उनका क्या status है, वो कौन सी industry से आते हैं. Every information is provided on university's website. Accreditations what they have now, Lander University is AACSB accredited. AACSB accreditation बहुत कम universities को मिलता है. Lander is one of them, right. So it's not just ranking, it is about the overall package, right. What quality education that university is providing you. हर एक को हार्वर्ड स्टैनफोर्ड जाने की जरूरत नहीं है.
Exactly.
Right.
Yes.
So there are so many number of universities who are equally good and their career outcomes are also equally good. It's just that you have to take a chance and you have to keep your eyes and ears and everything, your senses open, and adopt to it. That is it.
So in a nutshell, what are the benefits that this SMART program can provide to a student?
Yes. So as I have to tell you about how TWG programs are helpful. First thing is savings, huge savings. Secondly, make the student academically ready to go onshore and really excel into their career. Third way, make their visa profile very, very strong. These are the three, very important benefits students can have. And alongside, of course, their personality changes, their communication skills are enhanced. So those are like side benefits, you can say, students can expect from TWG program.
Yes. And I also want to add like कि ये बहुत ज़्यादा मेजर कंसर्न जो पेरेंट्स की होती है कि कैसे कोप अप होगा, वो ज़्यादा रिजॉल्व हो जाएगा इस प्रोग्राम के साथ.
Absolutely. Because see, बच्चा एक बार से फॉर एग्जांपल डायरेक्ट प्रोग्राम के लिए बाहर चला गया तो उसका और पेरेंट का तो मतलब there is a cut between student and parent. They cannot monitor the student's progress until the student is sharing the experience with the parent. At times students बताते भी नहीं है क्या चल रहा है क्या नहीं चल रहा है, ना कि यूनिवर्सिटी भी बताती है पेरेंट्स को. वहाँ पे प्राइवेसी का मामला आता है. बट यहाँ पे हम लोग प्रोग्रेस पूरा मॉनिटर कर रहे हैं बच्चे का, तो पेरेंट्स आर अवेयर कि बच्चा उनके सामने तो पढ़ रहा है, राइट. तो उनको तो पता है कि बच्चे को समझ में आ रहा है नहीं आ रहा है, हम इतना इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं, वो यूटिलाइज कर रहा है कि नहीं कर रहा है, राइट. क्योंकि इट इज अ ह्यूज इन्वेस्टमेंट फॉर द पेरेंट, राइट. एंड स्पेशली फॉर दोज हु आर टेकिंग लोन, हु आर सेलिंग देयर लैंड और एसेट्स टू सेंड देयर किड्स अब्रॉड. करेक्ट. उनके लिए तो ये बहुत बड़ा रिस्क है. तो उनको पहले साल में ही पता चल जाता है कि अपना बच्चा कितना कैपेबिलिटी रखता है वो फॉरेन एजुकेशन को पढ़ने के लिए. करेक्ट. तो ये सबसे बड़ा एडवांटेज है फॉर पेरेंट्स.
बच्चा वहां जाने के बाद अगर प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट होती है, उसको डिमोटिवेट होता है.
सो मोस्टली वही होता है क्योंकि जो बच्चे फॉर एग्जांपल फेल हो जाते हैं ना बाहर, अपने यहाँ पे कैसे एटीकेटी सिस्टम है, तो बच्चे को एग्जाम में रीअपियर करने दे देते हैं अपनी सिस्टम में. वहाँ पे वो सिस्टम है ही नहीं. वहाँ पे पूरा सब्जेक्ट आपको रिपीट करना है, क्लासेस वापस से अटेंड करनी है,
और उसका पूरा क्रेडिट का फी देना है,
पूरा क्रेडिट का फी देना है, पूरा सब्जेक्ट का फी देना है. दैट मीन्स दे हैव टू इनकर, आई मीन द एक्सपेंसेस व्हाट दे इनकर इज मिनिमम $2,000 to $3,000. लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल कोई बच्चा स्कॉलरशिप पे गया है फ्रॉम द बिगिनिंग और फेल हो गया किसी सब्जेक्ट में, तो वो वापस से उसको स्कॉलरशिप नहीं मिलेगी, उसको फुल फी पे करना पड़ेगा. और फिर क्या होता है, बच्चे एट टाइम्स अपने पेरेंट्स को बताते नहीं हैं, राइट. फिर वो कैश बेसिस पे काम करना स्टार्ट कर देते हैं वो फीस को कमाने के लिए,
yes, yes,
और उसमें फिर वही होता है कि वो डिस्ट्रैक्ट हो जाते हैं अपने पढ़ाई से,
Correct.
तो और 2-3 सब्जेक्ट्स में फेल हो जाएंगे.
yes,
So simply what they do is they withdraw from the college or rather that university and take admission into a very cheap college
yes,
जहाँ पे फीस कम है,
हाँ,
और फिर वो हिसाब से फिर पूरा ही डिस्ट्रैक्ट हो जाते हैं. तो जो करियर गोल सामने रख के वो जाते होते हैं वो तो फुलफिल होता ही नहीं है उनका कभी,
yes,
ऑड जॉब्स ही करते बैठते हैं.
true,
So that is something very, troubling,
yes.
right? And that should not happen with anyone.
Okay, Namita, I'm really grateful that you are here, and today we got to discuss all these things about the SMART program. As we have already discussed that education system is changing, even with our new education policy, the implementation of NEP is evolving a lot of things in Indian education system, and I really believe that the students will highly be able to take benefit from the SMART programs.
We should go along with all this information
Yes,
with students,
yes, yes.
and I'm sure we will, able to convince the students and parents, and they will have a successful career along with us.
Correct, correct.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for joining us today.